You can sit up. Yeah. You can fall over just for kicks. Your hair looks crazy today. Go ahead, giraffe. Still your favorite toy. Yeah, we want to put it down. I'll give you a block. Do you want a block? No, not a chance. Block. Block. Why don't you go get the block? Ooh, mean mama. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Say hi. Hi, can you wave? I know. Just gonna eat the giraffe. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do now? Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I know, that's not the toy you were trying to get, huh? You got it. Okay, we'll stop this. Duh.